Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Sabudana Kheer. First, let's prepare our main ingredient. Begin by rinsing about 1/2 cup of Sabudana pearls under cold water until the water runs clear. This removes excess starch. Then, soak these pearls in 1 cup of water for a minimum of 4 hours, or even better, overnight. This crucial step ensures they become soft and plump, ready for cooking, and prevents them from clumping together later. Next, we'll prepare the creamy milk base for our kheer. In a heavy-bottomed pan, bring about 4 cups of full-fat milk to a gentle boil. Once it starts boiling, reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes, stirring occasionally to prevent scorching. This simmering process slightly thickens the milk and enhances its flavor. Now, add 1/2 cup of sugar, or to your taste, and stir until it fully dissolves. Now it's time to bring everything together. Carefully drain any remaining water from your soaked Sabudana pearls. Add these soft, plump pearls directly into the simmering milk and sugar mixture. Continue to cook on low heat for about 10 to 12 minutes, stirring continuously. You'll notice the Sabudana pearls transforming, becoming beautifully translucent. Keep stirring until the kheer thickens to a rich, creamy consistency, indicating it's perfectly cooked. For the final touches, let's add some delightful flavors and textures. Stir in about 1/4 teaspoon of fragrant cardamom powder. Then, incorporate 2 tablespoons of your favorite chopped nuts, like almonds or pistachios, for a lovely crunch. If you wish, a few strands of saffron can be added for an elegant aroma and color. Your delicious Sabudana Kheer is now ready. You can enjoy it warm or chill it in the refrigerator for a refreshing dessert.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.